Hi Justin, I am going to make the pork garlic pepper, and right now Greg is chopping the garlic. Here is the ingredient again: 2 bulbs of garlic, 1/3 cup of oyster, 1/4 cup of water, and oil. I already put the oil in the pan.
Chop the garlic coarse.
And here is the pork that I already finished cutting into small pieces. This is the size of about the thumb. And okay, let's do it now.
Cooking.
To turn on the heat to the highest level and let it fry the garlic. Fry the garlic until it turns slightly brown. Just like that. Smells so damn good. Now the garlic starts to turn brown. Then you put the pork in the pan. You can use chicken also, but today we are going to use pork because the chicken is frozen and cannot defrost in time. And now put the oyster sauce.
One-third cup.
And don't forget water.
Have the water now?
Yeah. And the last thing that you should add is pepper. It depends on you how much spicy you like. You can add as much as you want. But today we are going to add a little bit because Linda cannot eat spicy. Can you eat now?
If you want more beef, you could add crushed pepper, red pepper or something, you know? Need more water? pouring my spoon. Okay. We didn't cook the rice yet. We didn't cook the rice yet.
Now we are going to cook rice.
You gotta wait for it to boil first. You screwed up. Forgot. You wanna taste this? See if it's got any pepper? Stop. Not a Hollywood production. You don't have to worry about it. Can you taste this, please? About 1
I
teaspoon.
forgot to tell you that you have to add 1 teaspoon of sugar in the pan when you stir the chicken or pork, and that's it. The chicken garlic pepper or pork garlic pepper. This is the recipe, the wet one, stir fry. Okay? Bye.